How do you make sure you make a positive first impression on your viewers and your prospective clients when they see your video? That has everything to do with the way you film and how high the camera is. In this video, I will tell you exactly how high you should hold your camera to make a great first impression on all your viewers. I am Elisabeth from Top of Mind Video Marketing. In a world full of invisible entrepreneurs, your own smartphone is enough to give yourself a stage right in front of the people that you want to meet the most. Subscribe to this channel because I will help you think of and make the videos that will impress your target group. Let me show you the extreme version. This gives off a totally different message from this. And it's not about looking pretty or not, it's something else. This is about authority and approachability. With every image, you are sending your viewer an unspoken message about how you see yourself and about how you want to be seen. And the height of the camera actually determines the first impression that your viewer has of you. Fortunately, it's very simple. If you hold your camera lower than your eyes, then you are making yourself bigger than your viewer. You're actually looking down on them. And it's a great way to exude some authority. Not so great for finding some sympathy though. If you do it the other way, up, you are making yourself smaller than your viewer. Your viewer is looking down on you. Might be great to make a very harmless first impression and people might find you sympathetic, but I don't think they will actually do what you advise them to do, because your authority is very low if you hold your camera up this high. The camera position that I advise is at the same height of your eyes, because then you are very equal with your viewers. You're both equally important. Well, I know a little bit more about video, but that doesn't make me more important than you are. You might think we're done, but we're not, because why do you so often see the camera tilted up a little higher? Well, that's because of the light. A camera up higher makes the light look nicer. We actually look younger. So what I do is I hold the camera at eye level and then I lift it up just a little bit, about an inch. That way I look approachable, but we're also still equal. This works with a selfie stick, like I'm doing right now, but also if you use a tripod. Have you noticed the difference in impression you get of people if the camera is high or low? Please let me know in the comments below this video. And if you're interested in how you can film your video with the script, watch this video.